Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up update Hyundai Ioniq 5 navigation and charging settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up and update your Hyundai Ioniq 5 navigation and charging settings, start by powering on your vehicle. Locate the touchscreen display in the center console. Select the home icon on the screen. Next, tap on the navigation icon to access the navigation settings. If this is your first time using the navigation system, follow the prompts to create an account or log in. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu by selecting the gear icon. From the settings menu, choose the update option. Your system will check for available updates. If updates are found, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install them. After the updates are complete, go back to the main navigation screen. Now, to set your charging preferences, tap on the vehicle icon. Select charging settings from the menu. Here, you can set your preferred charging time and adjust the charging current. To enable scheduled charging, toggle the switch to the on position. Set the desired charging start time, then confirm your settings. Additionally, you can choose to set up notifications for when charging is complete. Once all settings are configured, review them for accuracy. Now, exit back to the main screen. To ensure your settings are saved, turn off the vehicle and then turn it back on. Your Hyundai Ioniq 5 is now ready with updated navigation and charging settings. Enjoy your driving experience with these customized features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.